romantic stuff we're talking about. Because there are different types of romantic stuff we're talking about.
No.
Let me put you wrong. English teacher for that matter. We are talking of beauty, we are not talking of romance.
We are talking of there is a period in the world that was called the romantic period. We did it. So in the romantic period, there's so many things you need to know about the romantic period. Like what you were saying.
Like
that
you don't justify human beings.
You
You don't justify human beings by their character. But you justify them by ideas, logic, and they're all helping you out. You didn't even break because you were not beating behind the bush. You want to try to go on.
I have told you. I don't need
As a teacher, you explain widely.
I'm a lecturer. I'm not.
Okay, as a lecturer, you explain to the student widely. You can't just since I don't understand fully, and I'm begging you to like break it down to my own knowledge,
Because you
my
don't
own
want to
capacity.
understand it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.